It's important to be included in your own care because it's you that lives with it on a daily basis. One thing doesn't work for all, and it's different things that work for different people, and that involves discussion around what the options are.
When someone's got a long-term condition, it affects the whole family and friends as well. So everybody would benefit from a flow of information and up-to-date information. I think it's important for people to feel supported.
It's good to be able to know what's going on in your community properly so that you do feel included in your community and your care.